Are you throwing away this part of corn? But it's actually very healthy. From the same corn, I made a soft, delicious cake too, so watch till the end. Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. Today's recipe is something simple, different and with a lovely natural earthy sweetness. We all eat sweet corn in many ways, boiled, patties, pakoras, but today I thought why not make a quick sweet corn cake on a pan without oven? And along with that, I'm also going to share a hidden healthy drink using something we usually throw away. So stay with me till the end. Here I have a fresh sweet corn. Let me peel off the outer layers. And see this corn silk. Usually we throw this away, but today I am saving this because I'll make something healthy from it. So don't miss that part, I'll show it at the end. Now I am removing all the corn kernels into a plate. Into a mixer jar, add all the corn kernels. To this I am adding 1/4 cup jaggery powder. You can check out the description box below for all the ingredients. A pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now grind this into paste. Transfer this into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Mix it thoroughly. Half teaspoon lemon juice. And 1 tablespoon butter. Mix it all well. Now add 1/4 cup refined flour. If the batter is too runny, add a little more flour like I am doing here. Adjust the consistency. It should be slightly thick. A few drops of vanilla essence. Next, I am crushing some almonds for that nice nutty bite. You can use any nuts of your choice. And finally, some chocolate chips. Mix everything gently. And don't forget that healthy drink is coming up soon. Meanwhile, heat a pan. I am using a small pan so the cake holds shape nicely. Add about 1.5 teaspoons of butter. Spread it well. Now, I am pouring the batter gently. Level it slightly. You can add a few cashews on top. That is completely optional. Now, cover and cook on low flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. Cooking on low flame is very important. This gives a soft texture. Now, flip it carefully and cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, check with a toothpick. See, it comes out clean, so it's perfectly cooked. Because I used jaggery and chocolate chips, the color is slightly darker. You can use sugar if you prefer. Also, try using a thick pan or double pan method so it cooks evenly without burning. And here it is, our soft sweet corn pancake. It has such a nice natural sweetness and a mild earthy flavor. Let me cut a piece and see how soft it is. I am trying this for the first time, so let me taste. It's really good, soft, light and very comforting. Friends, remember the corn silk we saved? Here it is. I am boiling it in water. This makes a corn silk tea. It has many health benefits. It acts as a natural diuretic, helps reduce water retention, and supports blood pressure and sugar balance. I personally take this once in a while. But please note, pregnant women and those on BP or diabetes medication should avoid this. So, this is a simple healthy drink made from something we usually throw away. Friends, our sweet corn pancake and healthy corn silk tea are ready. Tell me honestly, would you try this at home or not? And also, which one did you like more, corn cake or corn silk tea? Comment below, I would love to know. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick, easy and healthy home cooked recipes. Until I come back with another recipe, happy cooking and take care.